Hey everyone! I wanted to quickly let you know that I'll be speaking at the JS GameDev Summit today at 3:50 PM BST. That's 9:50 AM Central Time for those of you across the pond. During my talk, I'll dive into the impact of social engagement in games in terms of player retention and monetization opportunities, as well as give you a practical demonstration of how you can add social features to your game quickly and easily using Nakama, the open source game backend by Heroic Labs. There's also tons of fantastic speakers who'll be sharing their knowledge and insights that I'm sure you'll enjoy. So if you're interested in joining, please head over to the website jsgamedev.com and reserve your spot now. The event kicks off at 3 PM BST, so there's just a short time left to register. I'll be doing a Q&A session right after my talk where you can join and ask me questions, so I look forward to seeing you there. I'll leave you with my short introduction to the summit. As always, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a software engineer with over 15 years experience in a wide variety of topics from web development to 3D simulations. And for the past 2.5 years, I've been an engineer and part of the developer relations team at Heroic Labs, creators of the Nakama open source game backend. I'm really excited to share the insights and things I've learned during my time here about how to build engaging social features into your games and the positive impacts they have on player retention. So apart from a bunch of small game maker games I made as a kid, the first proper game I ever made was a browser-based online RPG when I was 14 years old. It was called Tomb Orcs and was made in PHP back when that was the go-to for back-end web dev. If I remember correctly, the game had just over 2,000 active players at the time, and even now I still consider remaking it from time to time. If I had to pick 3 things, I'd say passion, determination, and patience. Making a game takes a lot of time, a huge array of skills including art, coding, sound, and even marketing. In order to succeed, you need to strongly believe in the game that you're making and be willing to constantly learn new things and adapt your ways of thinking. It's a marathon, not a sprint. I really hope you'll join me for my talk, Supercharge Your Game's Social Features with Nakama, at the JS GameDev Summit this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the event.